Hello, and welcome to this deeply restful ritual, whenever you happen to find yourself listening to this recording. So, Yoga Nidra is a very deep and subconscious practice. It allows for cellular repair and restoration at a very deep level, and not only that, it allows for such relaxation beyond measure. The name Yoga Nidra literally translates to yogic sleep, or yoga being the union of mind and body, and Nidra meaning sleep. And through studies, they have shown that this practice can allow for the sensation that you've received 4 hours of deep REM sleep, which is significant. And I hope that you find that you experience this yourself as a result of this practice. So, to prepare for Yoga Nidra, you must make yourself as physically supported as possible. So in the description, I have included what items would help you feel supported in this. And perhaps you find yourself in a configuration that you typically feel is restful and supportive for you, but today it's not working. I invite you to play around with any of the props that you have. And you can also do this laying in bed. Simple as that, with a bolster or a pillow underneath of your legs, under your knees. I always love the use of eye pillows, and make sure you're as physically comfortable temperature-wise as possible as well. And make sure that you have everything that you need in terms of blankets, in terms of all of your supports. So we will begin now, giving yourself space and time to acclimate to this position. Notice how you feel from the get-go here, laying on your back. Notice if you have any clothing that's bunched up underneath of you and smoothing that out. Notice if any part of your body is really speaking to you, needing attention, needing opening, needing movement. Let yourself wriggle, let yourself address any lingering needs so that you can fully let go for the duration of this Yoga Nidra practice. At this time, beginning to close your eyes and adjusting yourself until you are fully comfortable. If you want to move or make any final movements, please do so now. Once you have found your final shape, try to remain still through the duration of Yoga Nidra, finding that shape where you can be for this time. And now, slowly become quiet as possible. Take 3 long, deep breaths, and each time, as you breathe out, feel yourself fully letting go. For this moment, forget your cares and your worries. and focus fully on the Yoga Nidra practice. Become aware of distant sounds. Move your attention from sound to sound, listening only. Do not try to analyze or identify the source of the sound. Bring your attention closer. Become aware of sounds just outside the building you are in. Then become aware of sounds inside this room. Keeping your eyes closed, develop awareness of this room, the walls, the ceiling, your body lying on the floor. See your body lying on the floor. Become aware of your physical existence. Become aware of the existence of your physical body. Concentrate on your physical body as a whole. Total awareness of the natural breath. Continue with this awareness and feel yourself becoming relaxed. Become aware that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Say to yourself, I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I am deeply relaxed. I am listening to the sound of your voice. I will not fall asleep. Only two doors of perception are open. The senses of feeling and hearing. Yoga Nidra begins now. We begin with your long-standing intention called sankalpa, or a resolve, like a resolution. How this works is you go by instinct. You feel into what first bubbles up that you would like to see made manifest in your daily life. For example, if you are listening to this for peace of mind, you will state, I have total peace of mind. The sankalpa, or resolve, is made in positive, simple language, stated in the present tense. It is already with you. It is already there. So coming up with your resolve, your intention, not getting too in the head, feeling into your body. And state your resolve within your being with feeling and awareness 3 times. And now we'll begin with awareness of different parts of the body. As quickly as possible, the mind is to jump from point to point as you hear me state the part. Beginning with the right hand thumb, bringing awareness to your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, palm of the right hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, hamstring, the right thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel of the right foot, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right toes, great toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and pinky toe. Bringing awareness to the left side of the body. The left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, the hip, hamstring, left thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the left foot, the left toes, great toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and pinky toe. Awareness to the top of the head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right nostril, left nostril, the right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, the chin, jaw, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right chest, left chest, middle of the chest, navel, upper abdomen, lower abdomen, the right groin, left groin, right thigh, left thigh, right knee, left knee, right ankle, left ankle, right toes, left toes. Now go to the back body, the right toes, the left toes, Awareness to the right sole of the foot, left sole, right heel, left heel, right ankle, left ankle, right calf muscle, left calf muscle, back of the right knee, back of the left knee, back of the right thigh, back of the left thigh, right glute, left glute, right hip, left hip, a whole spine, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head. Awareness to the major parts of the body, the whole of the right leg, the whole of the left leg, both legs together, whole of the right arm, whole of the left arm, both arms together, whole of the head together, whole of the back together, whole of the front together, all of the internal organs together, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body together. Visualize the whole body as you say it. Intensify your awareness. Concentrate on the body lying on the floor, your body lying on the floor, and become aware of the meeting points between the body and the floor. The head, floor, shoulders, floor, arms, floor, back, floor, buttocks, floor, thighs, floor, calves, floor, heels, floor, the whole body and the floor. Bringing awareness of the meeting points of your whole body and the floor. Bring your awareness to the breath. Become aware that you are breathing. Become aware of your breath in general. Just become conscious that you are breathing, nothing else. Continue your awareness of breathing and gradually bring your attention to the eyebrow center. Imagine that you are breathing through the eyebrow center and that the breath moves in and out from the forehead. Maintain your awareness of the breath. Maintain your awareness of the breath through the eyebrow center and start counting your breaths backwards from 54. I am breathing in 54. I am breathing out 54. I am breathing in 53. I am breathing out 53, and so on. Awareness of counting and breath, remaining awake, telling yourself, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I am deeply relaxed. I am connected to the sound of your voice. I will not fall asleep. If you make a mistake with the counting, just returning back to the start at 54. Breathing through the eyebrow center, aware you are counting. If you reach 0, go back to 54 and start again. Cease your counting, but maintain awareness of breathing. You are aware of breathing, and you are aware that you are lying in Shavasana, nothing else besides this. Begin to awaken the feeling of cold. Concentrate on your spinal cord and develop the feeling of coldness and shivering. Concentrate on the breath in your left nostril and develop the feeling of cold through the whole body. Every breath you take in makes the body cooler and cooler. Concentrate on the left nostril and the left breath. With every breath you take into the whole body, experience the cold. Absolute feeling of being enveloped in ice cold. Concentrate on creating heat surrounding the body, developing the manifestation of heat in the body. Concentrate on becoming enveloped in an atmosphere of heat throughout the body, from head to toes, permeating the whole being. Concentrate on the breath in the right nostril. And with each inhaled breath, increase the feeling of heat in the whole body, from head to toe. Develop the feeling of heat through the whole body. Concentrate on the heat you have created around the body. Please bring your awareness to the dark space in front of your forehead. Concentrate on yourself seated in meditation with your legs crossed and your eyes closed. You are seated in meditation in a hall, and there is someone seated in front of you, an important person. This is an important event in your life. You are sitting in meditation, and this person is sitting in meditation. Your eyebrow center and their eyebrow center are one. Both of you are breathing through the eyebrow center. When you breathe out, you touch his eyebrow center. And when he breathes out, he touches your eyebrow center. A link is established. Continue to concentrate on the eyebrow center and become aware of waves surging over a large ocean under a dark sky. The waves are symbols of your unconscious. See the dark sky, the vast ocean, and the waves. Intensify your concentration and imagine a well, very deep. With the help of a rope, go down as far as you can, then come out. Have this experience. Return now to the forehead center and become aware of any spontaneous thoughts. Become aware of any spontaneous thought process for some time. And then, without completing it, dispose of it. Detach yourself completely and go to another thought. Intensify your imagination and concentration and the power of conception. Imagine an ocean, calm and quiet, dark. Imagine you are on the surface. Slowly start sinking. Become unconscious. Sink deeper and deeper. Sink deeper and deeper and discover the secrets of the body in a world which is absolutely inside. Intensify your imagination and the power of conception. See a deep and dark jungle. Enter into the jungle. Go deep into it. Continue on. Go much deeper into the jungle. See a lonely clearing with an aura of light around. The light comes from a temple close by. The temple is like a house lit from the inside at night. But as well, there is a great aura of light around the outside. From far off, you see that. You become aware that the temple is pulsating with the vibration of the sound Om. Inside the temple, there is the chanting of mantras and the ringing of bells, the smell of incense. Draw closer to the temple and feel the atmosphere of peace. The door of the temple is open. You peep inside, and there is nothing there. Nothing but a monk in orange robes. He is seated on the floor with his eyes open. Sit in front of him and look at his face. Find out who he could be. Concentrate. Become aware of the breath. Become aware of the breath. Remember your resolve, the intention you set, your sankalpa. Repeat your resolve with absolute faith and awareness. I have absolute peace of mind. If you don't quite remember the language, going back to the feeling and recollecting a different way of expressing that feeling in simple, positive language. Please repeat your resolve or sankalpa 3 times with absolute faith and awareness. Full feeling. the whole body. The whole body. The whole body. Relax all efforts and become aware of the whole body. Bring your attention to the natural breath, the quiet breath. Develop your awareness of the quiet breath. Maintain your awareness of the breath and gradually deepen it. Make it stronger. Become aware of your physical existence. Become aware of the physical existence of your body and your state of physical relaxation. At the same time, your breath is growing stronger. Take a long, slow, deep breath in and let it out. Develop awareness of your body, deeply relaxed, lying on the floor, in your bed, wherever you may be, with your eyes closed. Visualize the surrounding room. Allow your mind to become completely external. Begin to make small movements of your body, flickering your fingers, moving your toes, your arms, your legs. Easy, gentle, slow. Keep your eyes closed or covered. Take a few deep breaths and stretch yourself thoroughly 3 times with your arms above your head. Please take your time. There is no hurry. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. You may choose to remain here if you're trying to sleep, or if you want to return to your day in your time, making your way up to a seated position, perhaps taking 5 to 10 deep breaths, regaining your awareness of the present moment. I thank you from my heart for receiving this and for being a part of my life. And I wish you a restful, peaceful life and way of being.